welcome back. Let's start. Now, all observe the 14th question. Krishna sells his goods at 9% loss. Had he sold it at 960 more, then he would have gained 7%. Find his cost price. Okay. So in this case, they are telling he has sold his goods at 9% loss. Okay. But if he had sold it at 960 rupees more, he would have gained 7%. Now they're asking you to find cost price. Now this 960 more. Okay. Now this is the third type of problem. Now do you want to give a try? Give a try. Now you do not know. Yes. Here you do not know the cost price. You do not know the selling price. Okay. One hint is you can assume. Use assumptions here. Start and let me know what would be the cost price. Krishna sells his goods at 9% loss. Had he sold it at 960 more, then he would have gained 7%. Find his cost price. Okay, all observe. All observe. Okay. Now imagine I'm assuming the cost price to be 100. Okay? If I'm selling a product at 10% profit, so what would be the selling price? If I'm selling the same product at a 10% loss, then the selling price is 9. Fine. Now this is the simple concept. Now in this given question, everyone knows this concept. So in this given question, let us take it. Okay. This is profit. This is loss. Right. Krishna sells his goods at 9% loss. I do not know what is the cost price. I am just assuming the cost price to be 100. Okay. He is selling it at 9% loss. What is the selling price? 91 rupees. Okay. Had he sold it at 960 more, then he would have gained 7%. How much is the increase in profit? 7% profit he might have gained. 7% profit. So what's the selling price right now? 107. Fine. 107. What is the change from the selling price of 91 to 107? What's the change? 16. Right? 16 is the change. Now the 16 is the ratio. What is changing? 960. It would have been what had he sold it 960 more, right? 16 had he sold it 960 more equal to 960. Now what is a single ratio thing? What is single ratio? What? 60. Now they're asking you to find out the cost price. Cost price is nothing but 100% or 100R. So 100R is nothing but 60 into 100, 6,000. Okay. Now what are you doing here is until this step everyone are clear, right? Until this step all are clear. Now I want to understand what is the percentage or what is the change in the selling price. Change in the selling price is 16 ratio, and they are telling if he had sold it at 960 more, the change is going to be equivalent to 960 more. 960. That single change is going to be equivalent to 60 rupees. A single ratio change is going to be equal to 60 rupees. If 1 is equal to 60 rupees, what is 100% of that? What is 100% of that? 6,000. 100 into 60 will become 6,000. Now this becomes the cost price. Okay. Now this becomes the cost price. Now some might be having what is the purpose you did 16? What is the purpose you're taking 100R now? Now this is 100, you know, this is 100%. Yes or no? Now if you check for the percentage increase in selling price, it is going to be some ratio of 16. Right? If I'm able to get a 1 ratio value and if I multiply it with 100, I'm going to get the cost price. That's all. Nothing else over here. This is going to give us the cost price of the actual product. Fine. This becomes your third different type of question. Fine. Clear? Here everything is working on assumption. Okay. Clear? Started the questions. Okay. Started off 15, 16, 17 up to 17. Sorry. 15, 16, 17. First question is Srinivas sells his mobile at 10% loss. Had he sold it at 1,350. Okay. This is 1350. Had he sold it rupees at 1,350 more, then he would have gained 5%. Say 9,000. Loss is 10%, increase is 5% profit. So the difference is 15R. 15R equal to 1,350. It is nothing but 90. 1R is 90. So 10 for 100R is going to be 9,000. Didn't get it? Okay. Observe for those people who did not get it. Okay. Srinivas sells. So this is Srinivas is selling his mobile at 10% loss. We do not know cost price. Assume it at 100. Okay. He's selling it at 10% loss. 10% loss. Okay. The cost is going to be somewhere around 90. If he had sold it rupees 1,350 more, he would have gained 5%. So 5% is the profit if he has sold it. The cost price, selling price would be 105. The difference is going to be 15 ratio. This 15 ratio is going to be corresponding to 1,350. The increase in amount what you would have gained. So 15R equal to 1,350 or 1R equal to 90. If 1R is 90, then what is 100% of that? Going to be 9,000. Okay, this is going to be your answer. Clear? Clear? Okay. 16th and 17th, do it. Did not want any mistakes. Raj sells his goods at 7% profit. Had he sold it at rupees 4,248 more, then he would gain 13%. Find his initial cost. Same thing, the next one also, 16th and 17th. Answer 70,800. 70,800. All got it? 708, right? You got 708 into 100. Into 100. 7,800. Yeah, 7,800. No. 70,800. Oh yeah, 70,800. Yes, yes, 70,800. I'm only getting confused. Right? 70,800. Right? And next. Okay. Sorry? No, 10,500. 4 are equal to 420. So single are equal to 105. 105. Actually, you're doing it 15. Directly. Doing it 15. 16th, let us give a try. Okay, 16th. What is given? Raj sold his goods at 7% profit. Cost price assume 100. 7% profit. Aim 107. Had he sold it 4,248 more, then he would have gained 13%. So they're telling the profit would have increased by 13%. So it is going to be 130. So what's the difference? 6R. 6R. 6R is the difference equal to 4,248. So a single R equal to what? 708. 708. So 100 R equal to 70800. This is the answer. Fine. What was difficult here? Vishnu? Okay, let it be profit. Okay. 17th one. Padma sells her hairband. Okay. Some girl Padma is selling her hairband at cost price of 8% more. 100. Cost price is going to be increased by 8% profit. So it's going to be 108. Had she sold it at 420 more, then she would gain 12% more. So this is going to be 12% more profit. This is going to be 112. The change is going to be 4R. 4R is nothing but 420. So 1R is nothing but 105. So 100R is nothing but 10,500. Right? Straightforward. Speed has to be increased as of now. Okay. But as soon as you start seeing these questions, immediately you should start getting answers. Not for 5 minutes, 10 minutes. Not given. Okay. All clear till here? Okay. Third type of problem done. This is third type. Fourth type. Suresh purchases some articles at the rate of 6 articles for rupees 5. Okay. Some random person Suresh is purchasing some articles at the rate of 6 articles for rupees 5. Okay. And sells all the articles at 5 articles for rupees 6. Okay. He's buying 6 articles for rupees 5 and he's selling 5 articles for rupees 6. And they're telling all the articles are sold. It means what you are buying 100% sold. Only then you can calculate profit or loss. Whatever you're buying, everything should be sold. Only then it is a profit or a loss. Fine. Now you should find out whether it is a profit or a loss. Articles. इसमें क्या sells all the articles. Now this is just a ratio. Now this is just a ratio given. They are not giving a number to you. They are not specified whether it is 100 books, 200 books. They are not specified anything. They are just telling Suresh purchases some articles at the rate of 6 articles for rupees 5. Okay. And sells all the articles at the rate of 5 articles for rupees 6. So you should calculate whether it is a percentage profit or loss. Okay. Number is not mentioned. How much books has been purchased? Not mentioned. Cost price not mentioned. Selling price not mentioned. It is all in terms of ratio. Just you need to calculate the ratios, find out the percentage increase in profit or decrease in loss, and find out the percentage. Find how do you approach this problem? And if I'm buying some okay, so let us keep it at this time. Okay, so you are buying 5 cracker boxes at rupees 100 per box, at rupees 100 per box, and you're selling 4 cracker boxes at rupees 150 per box, at rupees 150 per box. Now they're asking you whether you're going to make a profit or a loss. What are you going to tell? Or I'm going to tell I'm going to buy a total of 100 cracker boxes. Okay, and 100 cracker boxes, it is costing me around 5 cracker boxes 100 rupees each, and I'm going to sell it 4 cracker boxes 150 each. 4 cracker boxes 150 each. So how are you going to calculate it? It's a profit. Okay, it's a profit. Now if it's a profit, how are you going to calculate it? What's the profit percentage? Here it would have been 500. Here it would be something more. Here it would be 100 into 100,000, and here it would be something like 100 into 150. It would be around more. But are you going to calculate that way, or are you going to do something else? For every 4 box, it is like 150 each, 150 each, 150 each, 150 each. Okay. Okay. start observing here. Okay, wait. All start observing, then we'll start discussing regarding it. Now, what are they telling? They're telling something regarding articles, right? Articles. And they're telling the cost price. Cost price is given, selling price is also mentioned, right? Yes or no? Yes. Okay. He's buying 6 articles. He's buying 6 articles at a cost of 5. And he's selling 5 articles at the cost of 6. Okay. Now we know that he is going to sell all. But these are not the exact numbers. We wanted to make common. So how do you make it common? You need to take the LCM of this. What is the LCM of this? Is going to be multiplied by 5. This is going to be multiplied by 6. If I'm going to multiply this by 5, this by 6, obviously I need to multiply this also by 5, this also by 6. So this becomes 30, this becomes 30, and this becomes 25, this becomes 36. So cost price is 25, selling price is 36. Obviously he's making a profit. So selling price is greater than cost price. He's making a profit. How much is the profit? 9. So how would you calculate profit percentage? 9 by 11. Okay, sorry. 11 by 25 into 100. It's going to be 44%. Okay. This is going to be your approach whenever they ask regarding article at the rate of something, So where you know the cost price of the purchasing one, the selling price of the clear, or any doubts? You want me to repeat it? Okay. Cost price, selling price, cost price, selling price. And this is going to be your articles. This is going to be the cost of the article. Okay. Fine. Now he's buying 6 articles at the cost of rupees 5. Okay. And he's selling 5 articles at the cost of 6. Now we need to make these things common. In case if we want to make these things common, we need to multiply this by 5, multiply this by 6. If I'm multiplying here, obviously I need to do the same over here. Fine. Now this is going to end up with 30. Now the ratios are same. As much as you're buying, you're selling so much. You're buying 30, you're selling 30. Fine. This is equal. You're buying 30, selling 30. What is your buying price? 25. What is your selling price? 36. What is the change in cost? 11. So now you can calculate profit percent. 11 divided by 25 into 100. Fine. This is going to be the method that you're going to follow whenever they're asking about articles at the rate of. Fine. Clear? Vishnu, Surya, Vishnu. Online, is it clear? Not like this. We are making it common. For LCM, you're taking 6 and 5 LCM is 30. 30 means you need to multiply it by 5, multiply it by 6. Then it becomes common. So you're buying 30, selling 30. So buying 30 at the rate of 25 and selling 30 at the rate of 36. So the profit is 11 rupees. 11 rupees, the profit percentage is going to be 44%. Fine. Got it? Okay. Now start with 1920. 1920 is the same time. This is the 4th time. 1920. We know the Vasan. See, all these things you cannot remember always. Write it down and keep it so that you can revise it whenever you're seeing into a book. You can revise those notes. Else, it will be difficult to remember all the different types. So whatever types you're learning for that particular day, put it in a separate sheet and keep it as for profit and loss. These are the different types. For the simple interest compound, these are the different types. Keep it that way so it becomes handy. Which one? 21%. You got 11 into 10, 10 into 11, 10, 11. The change is 21%, 125%. 125%. You got 21% or no? 100, 121, right? 21 divided by cost prices 100. You the selling price. Okay, Vishnu, Surya got it. You got it. 20th done. Completed 20.